Alright, what's up YouTube? Obama Suit here. Come back with another video break for Raw as Jericho of the Absolute Memorabilia 2008. Good luck. Obviously 4 packs, 4 hits. And we'll start right off. Pack number 1. Alright, pack 1. Got the base, obviously. Another base card to go from the back. Got a rookie card for the Seahawks of Jamar Adams. And that's number to 799. Jamar Adams, number to 799. And next card, I actually took a peek at it. I'm going to go slow for the camera. This next card is pretty nasty. Pretty sick. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. It's going to be a 2-color, 2-color, 4-color. Number 9 of 10. Triple patch of LaDainian Tomlinson. 4-color, 2-color, 2-color. Number 9 of 10 of Mr. LaDainian Tomlinson. Really nasty, nasty patches. Check those freaking patches out. If I can move the light a little bit closer. Freaking sick. That is really sick. Number 9 of only 10. Sick ass patches. So that is pack number 1. Moving right along. Congrats on that hit. That's really nice. Alright. Next, we're going to have a couple base cards and then a Canton Absolute insert of Bryant Westbrook, which is pretty low numbered, numbered 5 of 25. Canton Absolute insert of Bryant Westbrook, numbered 5 of 25, which is pretty low numbered for just an insert card. And then the hit, it's going to be a pretty much a jumbo jersey piece of football rookie card, numbered 11 of 100 of Mr. Jake Long. 11 of 100. Dual jersey football of Jake Long. So the camera there. Little writing on the football. I don't know if you saw that, Ross. Little writing on top of the corner of the football. And moving right along. Pack number 3. Gonna have a Willis McGahee base, Alex Smith base coming from the back. Have a Spectrum rookie of Ryan Grice Mullen for the Texans, number 10 of 100. Ryan Grice Mullen rookie, Spectrum, number 10 of 100. And then the hit, hopefully it's something nice. We'll just flip it straight over. Not bad. It's going to be another patch, 1, 2, 3 color patch, rookie card, number 9 of 50 of Mr. Limas Swede. Pretty nice looking patches. Mr. Limas Swede. And that's numbered 9 of 50. Pretty nice looking patches there, 3 colors. And this last pack should be our auto. At least we saved the good pack for last. If I can get this freaking open. There we go. Last pack of the Absolute. Let's see, DeMarcus Ware base. Vernon Davis base. Go from the back. Pulled the Owen Schmidt rookie. Number 2, 799. Owen Schmidt rookie for the Seahawks. Number to 799. And then the hit, hopefully it's something nice. Not bad. It's going to be an autographed jersey, War Room, numbered 6/25 of Mr. Dexter Jackson. Dexter Jackson, numbered 6/25. Jersey auto. So not the best auto, but that I tell you what, that LaDainian Tomlinson patch, triple patch, numbered to 10, definitely made up for that box. So that's the absolute break, coming back with the '08 Leaf Limited break. This is a Bowman to Suit out.